So we picked up this boat, or should I say TD picked up this boat, and I'll show you real quick. It had a lot of old marine paint. You can see here, I'll throw some footage in there of the marine paint before we blast it, but man, we tried some aircraft stripper, didn't work out too well. A lot of man hours, a lot of manpower, so we ended up buying a machine, and we wanted something to be environmentally friendly and get the job done properly. So we bought this dustless blaster. Dang, look at that. Man, that blaster does work. Incredible job. What an investment. Let's go around to the other side real quick. Hey Patrick, what do you say we polish this up and just make it chrome and then clear coat over it?
That's what originally it was supposed to be. It's supposed to be like real shiny and then,
okay,
you know,
yeah, kind of like
be like a soda can.
Right, right.
Like that, shiny right there on the TD part.
Oh, I wonder who put that on there.
That was Ray.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good old Ray. Because this boat didn't have these rails, right? When he purchased it?
Didn't have the rails or that back wall.
Yeah, and then he put, this entire wall. Wow, this thing's gonna look sweet when it's done. Let me climb up here real quick. Yeah, this entire boxed out fabricated wall. I think he found a fabricator on the west coast of Washington and did a great job. So look at this cleaning station up here. Yeah, even this handrail right here, this is all new. Oh, and then up here as well, there's rod holders here. Look at that. Well, it's gonna look good when it's done.
On there already?
Yeah, it looks like it exposed. Little patch. Very cool. Very nice to have something that'll strip everything off without chemicals. Because we tried the chemical treatment on the other side. And I think we had a guy working on it for 2 or 3 days. And it just was hardly coming off. All this within probably 2 hours of work. I was able to strip at least 2 to 3 layers of marine paint off the side of this boat. It's incredible. You can see we still have to get down below. And down here as well. So what we're gonna do is jack this up, flat spot underneath the rear of the boat. And we'll take the lift the front of the boat, and then he can use the dustless blaster. Yeah. Where did you pick up this boat?
Let's see. It was owned by the state, but I got it from a guy who was over in Central Washington by Yakima.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dang.
He bought it from the state. I mean, all of it matches now.
Isn't
right?
that crazy?
Looks awesome.
It's all the same texture too.
Yeah, I like that.
Awesome, it's turning out great. Look at that.
Yeah.
And that's thick. I mean,
That paint?
that paint is.
I know.
I was telling Patrick earlier, we should sand it smooth and polish it and then clear coat over it. So it's just one big shiny boat.
Well, that's what we're talking about is just clear coating it. It's got to be rough. It doesn't have to be this rough, but it's got to be rough
To adhere.
for the adhesion.
Yeah.
The paint. But yeah, dude, I like this silver color. It's nice.
Well, there you have it. We bought a dustless blaster. We are extremely impressed with the performance and how quick it can get rid of the paint, especially that marine paint. That was incredible. It's like 5 layers of just heavy marine paint that was caked on, but it did a great job pulling it off. We tried the chemical, and the chemical took 2 to 3 days and barely got 3 or 4 square feet of product off of the boat itself. So from here we're going to finish blasting the top portion of the boat. Once we finish that, we'll be recoating the bottom of the boat and then sanding and possibly clear coating the raw metal on the sides. So stay tuned, we'll post more videos on that as well. If you want to learn more, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, shoot us a line at thecarmanlinegroup@gmail.com or on Facebook, The Carman Line Group, and Instagram at The Carman Line Group. Thanks for watching, you guys. We really appreciate it. This is an entirely new project for us, this entire YouTube channel, so we want to help people with federal contracting as well as show kind of what we've got going on in our daily lives, not just, business related. Because we're real people, we're not selling anything. So if you have any questions, of course, leave a comment below. If you want to see more of this, of course, let us know. Subscribe to our other YouTube channel too, MacNat Construction. That's more based on the private ICF projects that we do as well. So once again, have a great day. Thanks for watching, you guys.